Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Buy Now, Pay Later on Uber Eats. Let's start by opening the Uber Eats app on your phone. Once the app opens, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the account icon. This will take you to your account settings. Now, tap on Wallet. This is where you can see all your current payment methods linked to your account. Next, tap on Add Payment Method. You'll see a list of different options available based on your location. Look through the list for a Buy Now, Pay Later option. You might see services like Klarna or Afterpay. If you see Klarna, tap on it. A secure login page for Klarna will open. Sign in with your Klarna account. If you don't have one, you can create it from the same page. After you sign in, follow the steps to link your Klarna account with Uber Eats. Once it's linked, Klarna will appear in your list of payment methods. Now, when you place an order, you'll be able to choose Klarna at checkout. Instead of paying the full amount right away, Klarna will let you pay later according to their payment plan. If you don't see Klarna or Afterpay in the list, it means this option may not be available in your region yet. You can check again later or use another payment method offered in the wallet. That's how you use Buy Now, Pay Later on Uber Eats. Thanks for watching.